Course K is the structure that you see behind me, and it is open a platform for teachers, students and civic actors alike to meet on an eye level. And so the project's ultimate goal is to connect these people in a process of talking and cooking together. And through this process, you can, first of all, tackle important topics, and also negotiate hierarchies by, as I said, meeting on an eye level, engaging with people, and seeing what other people think about subjects that you might are not. That are outside of your bubble, maybe. We developed the project in a collaborative process. So we started by engaging with students at the students' dormitory to see what their need is and where the problems are in this field. So we discovered, first of all, that in a lot of the university surroundings there are spaces where you can eat, but each space is a commercial. So the Course K is also meant to be as a non-profit and a non-commercial space. So you can just be there without any restrictions or any regulations in terms of money, let's say. So it's really open in this case. And another problem that we discovered is that what else? For example, in our second workshop, where we work together with architecture students to develop the kitchen itself. Beforehand we made a kind of a framework that allowed the students to think, okay, how can we teach in a different way by cooking together, and what they then more or less transformed into a concept for a spatial structure. What you see behind me is that different streams of contemporary design, for example, that they wanted to see implement in the final architecture, in the structure. So, for example, that there's a kind of circularity in it. For example, the water that we use for washing the dishes is also used for watering the plants. So there are two tanks, one for dirty water, one for clean water. And the clean water, or the cleaner water, is also used for watering the plants. For example, there are many of these small tweaks and small details that are really nice for the overall aura or feeling that we wanted to implement in the kitchen, that they wanted to implement in the kitchen.